Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset Binance password. So the first step you need to do is to open Binance application and you need to come onto the login page and add your email. Click on next, and once you are on this page of login, and here you need to add your password. Let's suppose you forget your password, click on forgot password, and here you can see reset password. Click on continue, and now you have this screen. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email. So go back and get code from your email. So this is my code. So let me add 932245. Okay, and here you need to add your new password and confirm password, then you need to click on continue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.